boy. It's a green stuff. I was away as well. Oh, we have to go to goal for shots 11, 7 on target, 14 tackles, 3 fouls, 2 yellow cards, shutouts to 63% and then 0. That's actually 71% for our team, 76% for upon the floor, how the guys falls. Speak well. Visa. Oh, what's that? You kidding me? 3 yellow cards for silly. Brilliant tackle. See if I can get this in. Walk it into the net. Once I get the ball, then put it in the net. So, you my God. Stay close to me. Solo Reyes knockout. What a effort. What an effort. What an effort that is. I don't know how it's come out. Stockholm. You went wow. I hate it in my team. Your hand is 2 out of 4 chips completely. Decent ball through. No defender. Ball through. Smart. It's like 4. Chips. Cover. 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 I'm in cover. 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 Yeah, yeah. Bill Jabjelka. Help! Please help. What is that? Sorry, let's see. Oh my word! Oh my word! Oh my word! Oh my word! Oh my! Oh, it's second yellow card and nothing. Oh no, it isn't. Oh, it's not all that. He's following it with his own band. But then, you know, football, if you can't ball it, you can't even match to get yellow card. How has he got through like that? How? No way. Oh, just get the ball!